Using my Ducket Micro Magic Pro rod with a Lose. I like my some Lose. Speed, I forget which one this is. Speed Spool SLP. Team Laser. I love these Ducket rods. I don't know why, for some reason, I love using them with the crankbaits. Yeah, I'm trying to fish. Here comes a little fisherman, little Sal. This kid loves fish more than anything, I think. You guys have probably seen pictures of him holding my big bass. He loves it. Not scared at all. Well, it seems to swim pretty good. Huh? I'm trying to catch fish, yeah. I'm testing out the baits. It looks like it's tracking straight. I can feel it. I can feel the wobble. Huh?
Daddy, fish.
No, this isn't a fish. This is a bait.
Bait.
Yep. This bait fish is pretty good. That's all I wanted to know. It works good. And it seems to work good.
Daddy, look.
What is that?
Daddy,
What is it?
spider.
You have a spider? Let me see. Open your hand. There's no spider in there. Dude, don't pick up spiders.
Daddy,
They could bite you. What is wrong?
spider.
Yeah, it could bite you and it would hurt. Lurker lures.
Right.
What's that called? That's the sucker.
Sugar.
Sucker. Let's see how this one swims, Sally.
Daddy, duck.
Huh?
Duck. Booch.
Ooh, that dives pretty quickly.
Booch.
Looks like it swims pretty straight though.
Booch.
And there was a big bass chasing that.
Daddy,
Put your
look.
boot on. I'm about to catch this bass.
Fish.
Nope, that's a bait.
Bait.
Yep, there was a big fish right here though. Almost caught him. So I
Daddy.
left it in there for another second or so.
Oh,
Yeah.
oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh. That's what I said.
Uh,
This is a sinking bait. It does not float.
Daddy, water.
Here's the problem with this. It dives real fast. I mean, look at the size of the lip on that thing.
Mommy. Daddy.
So,
Mm,
this being a shallow
Daddy.
pond up here
mm.
and a lot of leaves, it's not necessarily a good thing. But still, I had a fish chasing it, so. Mom said it's dinner time.
Daddy. Mommy. Daddy. Bait.
Well, I like that bait.
Daddy.
What?
Mm.
Area 51, Cosmic Dust. The Cosmic Dust. Definitely swims straight as an arrow. Ooh, nice wide wobble. Wow, lucky tackle box. I'm impressed with the bait selection this month.
Daddy.
How well they all work.
Bark.
They normally
Daddy.
don't all work this well.
Daddy. Dude.
Impressive. I'm always skeptical. And to be honest with you, it's not just Lucky Tackle Box, but Mystery Tackle Box sometimes puts out some of them cheaper baits that you don't really have faith in, even just by looking at them. And then you put them on your line and they really suck. So both of these companies
Bye.
have the same issues sometimes, but you know, can't complain too much because a lot of the baits, most of the baits, are definitely worth it.
Yes. You.
So this one swims real good. This one, I'll give this one a pass. It doesn't dive too deep, so that's nice for my pond here. It's got a nice wide wobble, a lot of action. I don't know about the color though. I don't know how well this color is going to work. I mean, it looks cool, but if it was in like a shad color or a bluegill color, bluegill would be nice. Oh,
Got it.
almost.
Hey, Mom.
Something hit that pretty good. So maybe cosmic dust will work. You say smoke shad?
Look, Dad.
Smoke shad. Jerkbait. Floating.
Daddy, done.
Yep, floating.
Daddy, done.
Almost.
Daddy,
Almost. Mama's gonna be mad at us if we don't hurry up.
done. Cheese, happy birthday, Cheese. Daddy,
Yep, it's G's birthday. You're right.
Cheese.
Mama made deer meatloaf tonight.
Oh,
Yeah. Yeah.
Daddy.
You want some deer?
Yeah.
Yep. I'm thankful that all 4 of my kids and my wife love deer meat. I don't have to eat a whole deer by myself. Shh. Well, this bait also seems to swim pretty good. Looks like it does what it's supposed to do.
Oh,
Good job, Lucky
Like
Tag
that.
Box. You did it
Like
this month. These are good baits.
Dad.
By the time you guys see this video, you've probably already gotten your boxes. But if you're not a subscriber to Lucky Tag Box and you're thinking about subscribing, this month's box would make it worth it for me. Matter of fact, this month's box makes me want to renew. My subscription's coming to an end soon. But, you know, with boxes like this, makes me want to renew them. However, the majority of the boxes I've gotten from them haven't been this good.
Daddy, done.
We'll see. We'll see what next
Daddy.
month's box holds.
Daddy, done.
If next month's box is
Daddy,
just as good as this one,
done.
I might just renew it. Yep, we're done. Can you put my rod sleeve on for me?
Yep.
Thank you, sir. Good job.
Daddy,
All right.
done.
Well, I'm not gonna test the soft plastics we got just because dinner's ready. But these look pretty cool. These little swim baits look pretty cool. A lot of flake in them. I bet you them things got some movement to them. These are the Toad bass tackle.
Daddy,
Fathead minnow. Alright. Well, thank you guys for watching. Let me know if you like to see these kind of videos with the baits being tested out. I'm not sure how long. 20 minutes. Yowza. We're going to cut that down. It's not going to be a 20-minute video. But if you like to see this stuff, let me know. I'll do it more often. Hold on, buddy. Alright. Thanks for watching.
Mama.